Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the stick frame with the NX Siemens. Okay, for the first, twice click on your NX Siemens, waiting for the opening. You can see motorcycle, car, and still waiting for open. And then click new and give the name 3.7 stick frame. After that, enter. And then I will make this model from this view. Okay, click sketch and then choose this plane and then okay, going to snipping tool, new. Okay, I will make like this. And then this. Okay, click the profile, click from the center like that, from the 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, click this line, click vertical. Okay, after that give the dimension is 98. Click on this and then 98, enter. For this is 11. Click repeat dimension, click this line to this line and then 11, enter. The height is 100. Click this and then click this to this point and then click on your keyboard 100, enter, and then close. After that, this height (63) and the width is 11. And then this is 11 too. Click this repeat dimension, click this to this and give the dimension 11, enter. That is fully constrained. Okay, I will make this line again from this to this and then if the dimension is 16, double click 16, enter, and then click from this to this line and then click point of curve, click this point to this line is point on curve. Okay, that is fully constrained. Click finish sketch, going to the trimetric view and then extrude. For the length is 113. Click extrude, click this and then give 113, enter. Okay, sorry, repeat 113, enter, then apply. After that you make this from this to this is 35. Okay, you click extrude, click this line, oh cannot. Okay, I'll take that sketch, click from this plane, click OK, and then going to the project of, click this line and apply, and then click the line, click from this to this, from this to this. Okay, already done. Going to trimetric view and then going to the extrude, just this line, going back and then give the dimension is 35, enter, apply. Okay, after that you make this. You can also make from this, click the sketch, click twice and then click unit and then OK. After that click sketch, click this area and OK. After that you can click the line from this to this and then click project curve, click this and this and apply. After that you are going to the quick trim this and close, finish sketch and then click trimetric or home, click the extrude, click this and reverse the direction, give the dimension is 11. Okay, boleh add just the unit to merge this body to this body and apply. Okay, after that I will make this radius. The radius is using the edge plane. Click this edge, give the dimension 25, enter, OK, and then cancel. After that you must make this. Okay, you can use the chamfer, but I recommend you to use sketch with manual dimension. Click this area and OK, and then click this line, draw, and then right click, OK. Click this to this, I will make the line again, just the profile, click from this to this and this. Okay, after that you click on this point to this point and then click coincident. After that you define the dimension. The dimension is 38 and 19. Click repeat dimension, click from this to this and this to this is 38. Okay, click finish sketch and then you can use extrude, just this line, reverse direction and then subtract and then apply. Okay, after that I will make this hole. The diameter is 38. Click the sketch, click this area and then OK. After that just this and then just this point, write on your keyboard 38, enter, and then you can finish sketch, going to trimetric view and then extrude, click this line, reverse direction and then subtract command and then until selected. I selected this area. Okay, cancel, and then you can hide this line or this sketch with the view, show and hide, and then select sketch and datum and then close. Okay, your model is already, and then you are going to the render. After going to the render, click the true shading and then give the colors. I will choose this. Okay, no problem. I will choose this color. Okay, the color is very beautiful. Okay, Okay, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friend. Thank you. See you.